Good morning, second graders. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, December 23rd, and the year is 2020. We are approaching the end of the year and the beginning of the year 2021. Today is an asynchronous day, which means you still have assignments to complete. They will be easy and there aren't very many. And we do expect you to turn in your work. So here are all of the second grade teachers saying good morning to you. We hope you have a really fabulous day. We hope that you are able to get your work done this morning and maybe play in some of the snow that is coming this afternoon. Today for learning, you will need these things. This morning, you will need a pencil, your blank book, your winter literacy packet, and colored pencils. This afternoon, you will need a pencil, your mystery picture, packet number 2, colored pencils, and crayons. This morning for literacy, you will have a December virtual library. Today, you will listen to some December-themed stories. On the next slide, click on the books to hear the story. When you are done, go to Seesaw Activities to do the activity called December Virtual Library. And you can see over here that you see the Seesaw icon and the activities icon. That means you have an activity in Seesaw to complete. So here is the December Virtual Library. And there are lots of good books here to read and listen to. If you want to listen to more than one, you certainly can. So second graders, I'm going to switch over and show you what the December Virtual Library activity looks like. Here is the activity, and when you click Add a Response, you will choose a book to listen to. When you're done listening to the book, pick one of the books that you listen to complete the listening response page. Use the label, the pencil, the microphone to complete the page. Click on the green check mark to turn in your work. Second graders, we have done 2 other ones like this. We did one in October and one in November. So this should be a familiar activity. The next thing you will have to do after your December virtual library is you will do a winter word search. This is in your winter literacy packet. We challenge you to see if you can find all of the words. And second graders, for this, I would either circle the words with a regular pencil, or if you want to shade over lightly with a colored pencil in a light color, like maybe a yellow or an orange or something so that we can still see the words. Please don't scribble. Please don't color so thickly that we can't see that you found the words underneath it. There is no Seesaw activity for this, so there is nothing to turn in. Then we would like you to find 20 minutes to read today. Find a nice, quiet, comfortable spot. Then for writing today, you have time to work on your blank book. Remember, blank books can be stories, comics, how-to, all about. They can be some form of nonfiction writing, poetry, a travel book. Remember, we're looking for neat and your very best work. Blank books are thoughtful and planned, and they show effort. So today, second graders, if, and this is a big if you are done with your blank book, you can go into Seesaw Activities and turn in your blank book. And here's what you would look for. If you are done with a book, please go to Seesaw and find the activity to share it. We love to see and hear your creations. So this is what the activity looks like. It has the video is attached if you need to review what a blank book is. And I'll just show you quick in Seesaw what it looks like. So here it is. Okay? This is only if you are done with your blank book. If you are not done with a blank book, don't worry about it. We just wanted to give an opportunity for kids to share who were ready to share. After that, you have lunch and recess time. And then this afternoon, you have a choice board for specialists. The other thing that they were suggesting that you do is finish any missing assignments for specialists. After specialists, you have math. And today you get to do mystery picture number 2. Mystery picture number 2 is a lot like mystery picture number 1, where the first thing you have to do is solve all the place value on the 2 pages. And then you need to color the hundreds chart according to what you solved. So it looks like all of these numbers will be colored blue and all of these numbers will be colored brown. Please remember to use colored pencil or crayon when you color in the hundreds chart. When you're solving the mystery picture clues, use pencil, please. Use pencil on these 2 pages, colored pencil or crayon over on this page. Remember, second graders, to take a picture of all 3 pages. Yesterday, we were noticing that some kids just took a picture of the answer page, and that's not following the directions. We need to see that you did your work on all 3 pages. So, mystery picture number 2. I'm very excited to see what it is. And the last thing we want you to do is a feelings checkout for the day. Tell us how you're feeling. Tell us why you're feeling that way. And remember, you're not only circling how you're feeling, but you're recording and you're telling us why. Why are you feeling that way? So second graders, as we end every day, we have a joke of the day and the answer is given upside down on the next slide. So this is our last day of school officially, and we want to wish you a very wonderful break. We hope you are able to rest and relax, spend some special time with your family, and we hope that all of you come back in 2021 ready to work hard and do your best, and you feel refreshed. So second graders, have a great day and have a wonderful winter break. Thanks, everyone.